So while Samsung is keeping us on hold for its Z Fold series, Vivo has just confirmed the launch date of its X Fold6 with a very powerful camera system. We even got its official unboxing as well as a set of teasers revealing its colors and camera details. So let's get into it. So the Vivo X Fold6 will debut on June 26 and the brand has already started the pre-orders. According to that, it will come with up to 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of storage. So earlier we got a look at the Vivo X Fold6. Now they have shared an official unboxing showcasing the X Fold6 in blue color option. And like we already saw, it will feature a more rounded shape than its predecessor while featuring a big circular rear camera island. Also, we can see the slim profile of the device. In terms of color options, there will be Blue Cave, Sour Lake, Polar Night and Black Coal edition. So specs wise, the X Fold6 will have an 8.02 inches foldable display from Samsung and it will offer a peak brightness of 5000 nits, while it will also offer 1 nits ultra low brightness mode. Now, one of the major upgrades in the X Fold6 is the chipset. So it will be the first device to receive the Dimensity 9500 Super Edition chipset, which according to Vivo is specifically tuned for foldable phones for improved multitasking, multi-window rendering and on-device AI tasks. So that's great. Where Samsung is using a customized 4 Galaxy Snapdragon chip for its Z Fold 7, Vivo will also use a customized chip tailored for foldable phones. And according to Vivo, with this chip, their atomic workbench will be much smoother like file dragging and window switching. Now moving to the cameras, the X Fold6 will feature a 200 megapixel primary camera. So a big upgrade over the X Fold 5's 50 megapixel. However, that's not it. The camera uses a 1/1.4 inches sensor size and an f-stop 1.68 aperture. So it should perform better, especially in low light photography because of its bigger sensor size. Further, there will be a Sony LYT602 as a periscope telephoto and it will be compatible with Vivo's G2 200mm telephoto extender kit that we saw with their Candy Bar Ultra handsets. And for the third sensor, there will be a 50 megapixel ultra wide. On the battery side, it is likely to have a giant 6900 mAh battery. So there it is. I can say the Vivo X Fold6 seems to be a solid contender to the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and it is coming on June 26 and most likely will launch soon globally at some later date. So let me know what you think about it and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.